That, I would like to move now to the vote of thanks, and for that, I'll invite on stage Mr. Rajiv Gupta, Executive Committee Member from Pan IT.
First of all, thanks Kiran Kumar ji from ISRO. I think that was a very, very brilliant talk that he did. We all need to be looking at specific solutions and working towards them. And I think ISRO has shown the way by taking Chandrayaan. So thank you very much, sir, for the wonderful talk that you did. I think there's a lot to learn from that. And I think all the IITians are here today, and we would take back some messages from there. Thank you so much, Mr. A.S. Kiran Kumar, Mr. Chris Gopalakrishnan. He talked about research, and that is something that is very, very core for the development of India. We all know that we have a new India which is coming up, and for the new India to really become Atmanirbhar and Vishwaguru that we intend it to be, we really need to be rooted in research. And I think that research is something that all IITs should be looking at. I was pretty impressed with what he talked about mission mode, working of IITs. Sir, we would also like to have you, because we are doing something which is called Reimagining Engineering Education in India, which we will be running a track with all the IIT professors. And my belief is that we need to change a lot in our education system to really bring it to a level where we can do research at the level that we wish it to be. So we are still there. We have some examples like ISRO, etc. But in many other things, we are lacking behind, and I think the whole ecosystem has to align to make it happen. So, sir, we would definitely like to have you with us in this whole initiative which we are going to run at Pan IIT for 1 year or maybe 1.5 years, to bring out the right policy perspective so that things can begin to happen the way we wish them to happen. So thank you so much. Thanks, Anton Tomachenko. He talked about AI, generative AI, which is showing a whole host of opportunities that is going to come about. He talked about who all have used AI, and all of us raised our hands. IITians are always good at doing shortcuts, so we are all using ChatGPT these days to do a lot of work that we should be doing. But I'm sure there is much more to that than ChatGPT. I'm just kind of on the lighter note, I said that. Thank you so much for bringing about what all is happening in AI. And I think, so one of the things that we need to do is to map the brain of Mr. A.S. Kiran Kumar, so that, he connected a lot of dots. I wish I could have spoken more about it, but I think we have constraint of time. But that's one kind of brain that we should definitely be mapping and seeing what all is happening inside, and bringing that to everybody's this thing. I would also like to thank Debashish Bhattacharya and Pradeep Bhargava and his team for basically bringing about this whole conference, which is not an easy task. Several different things running, and the topic itself, which is innovation, is something that we should be thinking about very, very seriously if we are to reach anywhere where we have to reach. I think all of us by now know that in yesteryears, very, very far behind, in the yesteryears, India used to be about 30% or 28% of the GDP of the entire world, which has fallen down to maybe 2-3% now. And at that time also, I think we were leading the way in terms of research, products, etc. of those times. So I think we all need to reach there. I'm emphasizing it again and again because we have all the guests here who are all IITians, and we want to harness the power of these IITians to make this happen. I think each one of us has to take this message back to our children, to the society, so that we build the right ecosystem. Uh, at this point of time, I would just like to give a couple of anecdotes to kind of re-emphasize what I'm talking about. I was addressing the set of IITians who were joining IIT BHU about 5 years back, and this anecdote is one anecdote, and I asked them as to I wanted them to name 10 great engineers. They were all beginning off in IIT, and in the crowd of 900 people, they were all happy to become IITians. But I think none of them, we could not gather 10 names of engineers from that crowd of 900 people who were entering IIT. So if that makes this thing, we need to understand that we are basking in the glory of being IITians, etc. But we all need to take back this message that we need to do something to make innovation and research happen at the heart of this thing. So thank you, Debashish and Pradeep, for giving the platform for us to talk about it for the next 2 days. I hope we seriously take it back. And from these events, I was talking to Debashish and telling him that from these events, we need to actually take some of these tracks and do continuous work on them so that we can really gain something from them. Also, thanks all the guests who are here. Atiti Devo Bhava is what we live by. So you are all here as our guests. Thank you so much for having taken out time and coming 9 o'clock to attend this thing. Also, we have IIT directors with us, and thank you all for being here. There are 15 IIT directors who are attending. So thank you very much. There are heads of innovation from various IITs who are there. Thank you very much for being here. I think we will all gain from each other. And with that, I'll end my vote of thanks. Thank you very much.